Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study with me. So this is the second lecture on the subject of human resource management. Fine. In the last video we have discussed about its general meaning of HRM, its definition, nature and scope. Yes, and in this video we will be discussing about objectives of human resource management. Fine, what we will be discussing? Objectives of human resource management. Next. Next. So these are the objectives of human resource management. So what is first one? First one is to assist in securing the goals set by the organization, right? So the main HRM, the main aim of HRM is to assist, is to help, that means help the employees in achieving the desired organization goals. Yes. So whatever organization goals are there, it will help to achieve it. Yes. So if it fails to do so, then that particular organization existence will come to an end. Fine. So they need to help the employees in achieving the organization goals. Second one is to help the employees in securing the personal goals. Okay, in securing the personal goals. Yes, so in the last video we have discussed about that HRM people will not only focuses on group level but also they focus on individual level, right? Yes, they focus on individual level. And so human resource management people not only focuses on organizational goals, but it equally tries to focus on each individual. Fine. And they explore and develop the skills and knowledge of the employee by providing training and development. Yes, so that the employee can achieve their personal as well as organizational goals. Yes, next is third one. What is third one here? To make maximum utilization of employees' potential. So the nature of human resource management lies in basic functions of effective requirement. Okay, so how they get recruit. Yes, so they need to match the skill and knowledge of the employee with the work assignment. What's the, that means the job position or work assignment or the open positions in the organization, right? So this will help to fully explore the capabilities of employees, their skills, their knowledge, so that it will be benefit for the organization. Okay. Next, what is fourth one? To procure efficient employees within the organization. What is procure here? Procure means to obtain. Okay, it's to obtain. HRM people should maintain the performance appraisal system, yes, or the reward system. So what happens if we maintain performance appraisal or reward system? It will motivate the employees to achieve its target performance. Yes, so and also it will improve the efficiency of the employee. Next, fifth one. What is fifth one? To enhance job satisfaction. In the last video, we have discussed about welfare aspect, right? Welfare aspect and scope of human resource management. Yes, hope you remember it. So there are various programs have been framed or it is implemented by HRM in order to enhance the quality of life. Okay. So what are those programs? What are those programs? Programs like health and safety, sanitation facility, entertainment facilities, accommodation, transport, education, security, etc. Yes. So what happens? It helps in increasing the job satisfaction of the employees. Fine. Hope you guys understand. Next. Sixth one. One of the most important duties of HRM people is to update the employees regarding managerial policies. Okay, so HRM people should update the employees about the internal policies, feedback of customers. If any feedback of customers are there, they need to update the employees and the opinions of the management, and also to generate creative ideas of the workforce. Fine. Next, seventh one is to increase organizational productivity. HRM people tries to enhance the overall productivity of the organization. Okay, they try to enhance the overall productivity of the organization by effectively utilizing the resources. Okay, whatever resources are there, they will utilize it. Fine. So what are the general resources we have? Like we have men, money, material, and missions, right? Next one, eighth one, to focus on quality performance and quality of work life. So what is quality performance here? What is quality performance? How we can achieve quality performance, guys? How we can achieve it? By assigning the right job to the right candidate at the right time. We have already discussed this important point in the last video. Yes. So by assigning the right job to the right candidate at the right time, we can achieve quality performance, and also it brings the efficiency in the working system of the organization. Fine. Next. Next we have here quality of work life, right? So how we can achieve quality of work life? How we can achieve quality of work life? By making organization a pleasant place for employees. Okay, you need to make the organization a pleasant place and provide good working conditions to them. Fine. Next one. HRM people makes continuous effort to fill the gap between individual as well as organizational goals. Yes. So that means to develop harmony in the work culture. They make continuous effort to fill the gap between individual and organizational goals. Yes. So this result in maintaining the good relationship within the organization and also employees to achieve the desired objective. Right. Next, to create respectful environment. What? To create respectful environment. HRM people must ensure that a respectful environment such as dignity, trust, happiness exists within the organization. Fine. If such environment is missing or if it is lacking, then there is a chances of crisis within the organization. So that we need to maintain. That means the HRM people should ensure that the respectful environment should present in the within the organization. Fine. So these are the objectives of human resource management. So let's wind up this video here and continue in the next part. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.